In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to watch NFL Sunday Ticket on a Roku device. First, go to the Roku home screen. Press the home button on a Roku remote to open the main menu. From here, scroll down to streaming channels. Search for YouTube in the Roku channel store. Select it, then hit Add Channel. Once installed, open the YouTube app from a Roku home screen. Inside the YouTube app, sign in with the Google account you used to purchase NFL Sunday Ticket. If you're signed into the wrong account, you won't see your subscription. Use the search feature inside YouTube and type NFL Sunday Ticket. This will bring up the Sunday Ticket hub where you will find live games and replays. Choose your game, hit play and enjoy. On supported Roku devices, you may even be able to use multi-view to watch multiple games at once. And that's it. That's how you can watch NFL Sunday Ticket on Roku. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.